S118 Drone, professional 8K escape foldable quadcopter with dual camera and obstacle avoidance. The new S118 Drone is a cutting-edge professional-grade quadcopter designed for aerial photography and high-performance flying. With its 8K escape dual camera, brushless motor, foldable design, and advanced flight features, this drone is perfect for beginners and experienced pilots alike. Whether you're capturing stunning aerial shots or exploring its intelligent flight modes, the S118 Drone offers an exciting flying experience. Key features of the S118 Drone: Ultra HD camera options, available in 4K, 6K, and 8K Wi-Fi HD camera configurations, allowing you to capture crystal clear images and high-resolution videos. Foldable and portable, the compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry and store, making it ideal for travelers and drone enthusiasts. Folded size, 9 by 14 by 6.5 centimeters. Unfolded size, 27 by 27 by 6.5 centimeters. Real-time FPV transmission, the 2.4G Wi-Fi function allows you to connect the drone to your smartphone via an app or APK system, providing live video feed for first-person view, FPV, flying. Brushless motor, equipped with a high-performance brushless motor, offering powerful and efficient flight with reduced noise and extended durability. Altitude hold mode ensures a stable flight experience, making it easier to capture clear images and smooth videos. 360 degrees orbital flight and waypoint mode, the drone can fly in circles around a target for dynamic camera angles. You can also draw a flight path on your phone screen, and the drone will follow the predefined route. One-touch return and takeoff or landing, the one-button return function ensures the drone can easily find its way back, while one-touch takeoff or landing simplifies flight control for beginners. Headless mode, no need to adjust the drone's orientation before takeoff, making navigation easier for new users. Flight time and battery. Battery, 3.7V, 2000 mAh LiPo, included. Flight time, 10 to 12 minutes per charge. Charging time, 90 minutes. Durable and lightweight build, made from high-strength engineering plastic, ensuring durability while maintaining a lightweight frame. Multiple flight speed modes, choose from 3 speed levels for more fun and customized flying experience. Flight functions and controls: up or down, forward or backward, left, right movement. LED lights for night flying. Follow mode for tracking a subject automatically. Surround flight for cinematic shots. Waypoint flight to fly along a custom-drawn route. Altitude hold mode for stable hovering. Headless mode for easier navigation. One key return to avoid losing the drone. Wi-Fi FPV camera, video recording. Why choose the S118 Drone? If you're looking for a powerful yet affordable professional drone with 8K Ultra HD camera, brushless motor, Wi-Fi FPV, and intelligent flight modes, the S118 is a perfect choice. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or enjoying smooth flights, this drone delivers an exceptional experience. Get ready to explore the skies with the S118 Drone.